bird dog hold. So, just like a bird dog, at the end of the movement, we're going to hold it isometrically for about 3 seconds. So, bring the knees underneath the hips, hands underneath the shoulders, engage the core to protect the spine, and then opposite arm and leg extend out, pushing the fingertips and the heel into the walls, squeezing the glutes, squeezing the shoulder blade, keeping that arm up and raising up, holding it. It could be 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, whatever it is for today. You hold it and then bring it in. Squeeze the core, tuck the hip underneath, pull the belly button back, bring that knee as far as you can, and that elbow all the way back into the hip. Hold it for the same amount of time you had your arm and leg up. Then switch sides. And now, pushing up, core nice and tight, engage the lat, stabilize the body, keep that heel up, squeezing the glute, squeezing the shoulder blade back, and then coming down nice and slow. Squeeze, pull the belly button back, push that knee forward, drive that elbow into your hip.